human! I'm Braxton Evelyn, the beauty foodchick. Welcome to my channel. It is another week. Let's see what I will take you through this week. Alright, let's go to work.
So, in the office, we're plenty. This is one of the people that is leading us. I told you we're fine people in this office. But she's leaving us. So she's reducing the number of fine people. And this is Missing Kem. Have you seen Missing Kem in any of my videos? Maybe sports or something. We're plenty. So and you notice that it's women. And this is Pastor Ngozi. See, she's behaving like Pastor. When I met Mrs. Ngozi, she was slim.
It's age that is dealing with 50 years and above.
Very true. Hey, Karen. It's a Tuesday and we are here at work. Alrighty, let's do this. Yay, that's me. It's a Tuesday. And we are at work. Happy Tuesday. Look at Esther. And where's Simon? Simon has been volunteering with us.
Hello, everybody.
And I have this one here.
Hi.
Sitting here acting all pretty. But she is a sweetheart. Oh, yo. Meanwhile, that phrase is from her. Oh, yo. I don't know what it means, but it's a bug that I have caught. All right, let's go.
With all this posing
Remember Nurse Flora? And our kitchen mama. Please, Lucy. Sorry, I'm interrupting you. She's the newest addition to our team. Her name is Philippians.
I'm the baby of the team.
And this is my dear mama. She's leaving us. And I'm so sad. Me too. She gives the nicest hugs. And I am trying not to get emotional. I am trying. I'm not gonna cry. But I will miss her. I will come back to do another video because Phil looks like she's gonna kill me right now.
No, not at all.
For interrupting her.
Oh, she knows. And I expect to see my friend in the Netherlands one day.
Fingers crossed.
By the grace of God.
Mama, how are ya? It's a Wednesday. Let's go to work. It's midweek. What do I have today? A lot. You already know the drill. You know. So let's go. Hey human, so today I will take you through fixing my breakfast and a quick lunch. Let's do this. And it's a wrap. Time to go get ready for work. We did this together. Alrighty. See you on my way to work. Who gets excited going to work? Who else? Let me know in the comment section. Do you get excited when you're going to work? I do. Alright, now said. I need to pay attention. Let's go. One of my bosses is leaving, and we are sending her farts. Yes, so we gather to express our gratitude and these are those things, a friend, she's a boss, she's a mommy, she's a sister, she's an auntie. She's just awesome to a lot of us. Hey human, it's a Friday and we are going to work. Yes, that will be you and I. We're going to work. Alrighty, let's do this. And as usual, I'll show you my African attire for this Friday. Let's go. Thank you. We're doing our duties and I find these two human beings here. See them?
We have business.
That's Merciful Mercy.
Hello.
And that's Mr. Jonathan. You know Mr. Jonathan by now.
Obviously. Main character.
But Mercy, she's just such a sweetheart. See, I told you. Oh, and the sky is beautiful. Do you know what I usually say about the sky? You need to be watching my videos because no matter your situation, the sky is always beautiful. And we have police officers here, so don't mess around with us. Don't mess around with us. You mess around with us, nobody can even try me. When I have you people and I have police, nobody can mess with me. So I'm just.
Oh, my baby.
See, I get a lot of things at my workplace. I get kisses. I am so special. Oh my goodness, guys. Let's face it. See, I get chocolate. Oh my goodness. I am so loved in this office. Oh my god. I work with crazy men. Crazy men. Who is this one? Oh my god, let's get to work. Going to deliver an item and the
men in brown
Yes.
and the MIC.
Yes.
Okay, so I was saying that I have an item today. It's a Barriers item. I am on break. So Barriers is my personal business. I am on break. Emphasis, I am on break. So I am going to deliver this item to my colleague that placed an order, and I'm in my beautiful scenery. Let's go, let's go, let's go. So it's a class. Unfortunately, I can't show you, but this is my client, my able client. Thank you so much. Miss Ebere is here. She's my great supporter, and I have another supporter here. Nancy is always, she's always coming. Thank you, Miss Nancy. All right, let's go. You can hear the students in the background. Bye. And of course, behind this, there's a pretty young lady sitting there. Troublemaker. If I don't see her, I'll be in trouble. Aha, see her. Remember her? I am on break. She's sorting.
Yes,
Where's
I got
the
a new table.
She's sorting.
I got my table. Thank you for my chair. Table.
So she's working. Me, I'm on break. Let me go before somebody gets in trouble. Bye.